What's up, guys? Just another day in the kitchen. You know what today is. It's release day. You know we had to cook something up. As you guys can see from right here, we've got a Nike Jumpman Jordan box. Give you guys a better look. You know it's a size 13, so it's got to be a personal pair for your boy. Now, lately, this year, I haven't really been copping a bunch of personal pairs, but this is a colorway that I'm definitely feeling. It's a first colorway they've ever done like this, so without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Alright guys, let's see what we have cooked up right off the bat. Boom. Here we have it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. Let me go ahead and get this out of the way, give you guys a little better look. Now, as you guys can see, even before I go ahead and remove the sneakers, this material is all leather and suede, so this colorway is definitely slept on at the moment, but you guys are going to see in just a little why I think that this is going to be a really good cop for the personal pair and just a good cop as a collector in general. Now here it is, guys. This is again the Rookie of the Year Jordan 1. I'm just going to be going over this right now, giving you guys a better idea of what it looks like. Whoops. But yeah, a little bit more about this, and you guys could also use all of these videos as like a legit check purpose because, as you know, all of these items are authentic. But yeah, a little bit more about this colorway. The official release is today, November 17th, 2018. This colorway is actually being dubbed a Golden Harvest, as you guys can see. I mean, I think it's a pretty fair colorway to give it, being this gold and tan color. Now, as I said a little earlier, this material is actually all suede and leather, so you guys can see just that pattern disruption, and then the tumbled leather on here is just phenomenal. Just giving you guys a little better look. Now these collar flaps right here, I'm going to go ahead and pull them apart a little bit just to give you guys a better view, but that's really the overall best feature in my opinion. I mean, this black sole definitely looks nice, but let me go ahead and get this ready for you guys and give you an idea. Okay, so you guys can read it yourself, but in case you can, it says, "This award is nice, but I just feel it is very important for each individual to go out and contribute to his team." Now, Michael Jordan is very correct. He went ahead and said that quote when he had his Rookie of the Year acceptance speech. Now, on this other tab, I want to go ahead and show you guys that. 1984 to 1985, that was his rookie season. Rookie of the Year, scored 2,313 points, averaged 28.2 points per game. Now, obviously, we know Jumpman is a legend. A little bit more about his stats. As they said, he did score 28.2 points per game, but any basketball head and sneaker head might know a little bit more. He also scored 6.5 rebounds as well as 5.9 assists. And in addition, he also won Rookie of the Year as well as a spot on the All-Rookie team. Now, of course, we know MJ later went on to found Jordan Brand, and he didn't win just one, not just two, or three, or four, or five, but 6 NBA championships with the Chicago Bulls, as we all know. But yeah, guys, this is a better look at it. I hope you guys can appreciate it. I think that this is going to be a really slept on colorway. The retail on it's only $160. With tax, it's like $170. At the time of this posting, right now, the high was about $260 on StockX, if you want to use that as like a market comparison. I think that it's definitely going to go down over time as people are going to receive more pairs. But again, that was the high today. But yeah, just to go ahead and give you guys some better detail at this, the suede looks awesome, the black sole is awesome, MJ killed it, Rookie of the Year. What can I say? This is another review by The Kitchen. Hope you guys like it. Just a quick one, but just to give you guys some further reassurance in case you had any doubts. But yeah, thanks for cooking with us. Yeah guys, so again, this was the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year sneaker review. Thank you guys for cooking with us. If you haven't already, follow us on Instagram at We Don't Cook Food. We're almost at 10,000 followers. You already know, as soon as we do, we'll have another giveaway. Who knows what it'll be, but you only know by following us. So thank you guys. Would you guys rock these? Do you feel like the Rookie of the Year when you wear them? Let us know. Drop a comment, subscribe, like the video. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Have an awesome weekend. And keep cooking with us.